Here's a retake of the modernised Otis Lexan traction lift at Indooroopilly shopping centre with my brand new iPhone. Go to 6. ECD indicator. Here we are at 6. We'll have a look at the lift shaft. It's beautiful. And remember, if I stand there for too long, a beep will occur. And look at this art. It's the Art Studio. Saturday, 16th of September to Sunday, the 1st of October, which will be ending tomorrow. And here we are, P2. Alright, we'll go up to 6 one more time and then go to level 2 and hop out. Right, we'll do a cab view. I like these lights. Lift number 2, Indooroopilly Shopping Centre, 322 Mog Road, Indooroopilly, equipment number 126735. Maximum load 750 kilograms, 11 persons. Right, now we'll go down to level 2. Door close button works, I like it. DDA panel. Stopping at 4. You going down?
Yes.
Beautiful. Here we are at 2. And we'll watch it go. There it goes. And that's it.